Let's walk through how to port in an existing service from another provider to CommsMobile. From the left menu, go to Services, and in the list view, click Create Service in the top right. Choose the Single Activations/Port In option. Since we are porting one service, that is the option we're going to use. When the pop-up appears, select the customer. Here I'll select our demo customer and click Next. Now we need to select a plan. I'll choose the smallest plan that we have and move forward. Next, we need to assign a user to the service. For that, you can create a new user with the button here, or you can select an existing one. I'll just select the existing one and continue. For the service type, choose Port In and then select the SIM type. For demo purposes, I'm just going to select the eSIM option, but you can do the same process by clicking on the physical SIM option and providing the SIM number for the physical SIM here. You can optionally provide the device name here too. I'll just click Next. Here, we need to enter the mobile number that is supposed to be ported. I'll put in a random phone number here. Next, we need to specify whether this is a prepaid service or a postpaid service. For postpaid, you need to enter the account reference number, and for prepaid, the date of birth of the customer will be required. We'll keep postpaid selected, and I'll enter a random account reference number here. Once the number gets entered, you'll see that the Send Verification Code button becomes active. You can click this button to start the OTP verification process, or you can bypass the OTP by clicking this checkbox here. If you click the checkbox, an important disclaimer will be shown. Please review it carefully before agreeing. Once you click on the I agree button, or you go through the OTP verification process, you'll see that the complete order button in the footer of the dialog box gets enabled. Before doing that, if you scroll down a little, you'll see the Notification Preferences option. Here you can select who gets to receive the notifications related to this service. You can leave the service level contact selected if you want the user that we selected in the previous step to get the notifications, or you can select the account level contact if you want the customer level user to get the notifications related to this service. If you scroll down a little more, we'll see the order summary. Here you can see the customer name, the plan we selected, the charge for that, the user we selected, and other details as well. Once all of this looks good, you can click on the Complete Order button to start the port.